everyone! Good afternoon! Happy Saturday, guys! How's everyone? I hope you are all enjoying your weekend. So, I'm here with my husband. Yes, and my son. So, we just arrived here few minutes ago, and because we want to spend time outside because it's a lovely day today. It's sunny because for the past few days it was always raining, but today it is sunny, so we decided to go out and enjoy the nature, the view from here. It's how many minutes? 20 minutes from our place.
20 minutes?
Yes, and so I can show you around. So as you can see, guys, there are plenty of families in here. Dito, it's in County Meath? Drogheda. It's in Drogheda, Mon. We went here just to enjoy the view, the fresh air. So there are plenty of people here. They are also enjoying it. Some are swimming, some are just playing, like these kids in front of me. But those people, they're really enjoying the sunny weather. They are swimming. Ang sarap po ng hangin. Grabe. Very fresh. Siyempre, naka already yung aking hindi lang ako swimming kasi mainit eh. Kaya full ako, naka-sombrero ako. Tsaka naka long sleeve kasi ayokong mainitan, init na init ako. Pero dito, it's not really warm because of the air, the breeze. Ang sarap ng hangin. Oh, who wants to join those people, guys? Do you want to swim as well? Dami, oh.
No, these waves are too strong.
Very strong yung yung current ng sea, yung waves.
So you just go in.
Maybe you can just dip, not swim because it's really strong.
You just got pushed in.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're not swimming. They're just dipping their bodies just to enjoy the water and the lovely weather and the sunny weather. So, kita niyo doon sa malayo, merong naglalaro ng nilalaro niya yung kanyang dog ng football. Catch. Uy, liligo yung dog. Kita nyo, oh, ayan. Ang sarap talaga ng panahon dito ngayon. Tapos meron ditong mga dito, oh, meron sila, nagpapahinga na lang sila, nagpipiknik sila doon, no, lapit sa kod. Oh, meron. Kakain sila dyan. Ang dami ditong na cars. Ayan. Ang dami. Ayan, nakangga doon yung ng kotse. Daming tao pumupunta. Very nice place. Dami pa doon. We are just going to enjoy the the view and the sunny weather, but we're not going to swim or dip in that water because
You don't ever swim.
we didn't bring any.
No, I didn't.
I didn't bring any. I think there's no shower ba dito para mag-change? I have no towel as well. Oh, look at that. So, yung mga bata siya naglalaro. Oh. So, guys, I think that's all for today. I just showed you where we are at, and just to show you the lovely view, the beach, the people that are swimming, and children that are playing, just enjoying this day with the lovely weather. Okay guys, thanks for watching and have a lovely Saturday. Bye.